Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I am making a Biscoff cake. I've made a Biscoff cake for my birthday cake, I think, but I don't think I've shown you just a Biscoff cake by itself, so here it is. It is a brown sugar sponge with Biscoff buttercream with a bit of Biscoff spread in the centre, topped with more Biscoff buttercream, more Biscoff spread on Biscoff biscuits. If you like Biscoff, this is genuinely heaven on a plate and you are going to love this recipe. I love it because I am obsessed with Biscoff. And here is the cake slice. I have eaten some already. I know, I just couldn't wait. And if you want to find out how I make this cake, then keep watching. Okay, first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. That's for a fan assisted oven. And then we can start on the sponge. So this is a brown sugar sponge because it's going to create a nice caramelly texture. So I'm going to mix together my brown sugar and my butter. And you want to beat it on a medium to high speed for a good 5 minutes or so. Should look a little something like this. And then it's time to add in the eggs. I've got 6 eggs. I'll leave all the quantities in the description as always. And I'm going to put 2 in at a time. And I'm going to mix. Oh. Okay, that's 3. Massive air bubble. Oh my days, this is going well. And I'm going to mix for about a minute between each lot. What is happening here? There we go. Again, on a medium to high speed. And if it looks split at this point, don't worry, it's just because the fats might be at different temperatures. Next thing I'm going to do is add in our Biscoff. And I've got some milk and vanilla in here. I'm just going to add a little bit in at a time. And then give it another mix, just until it's all come together. Then we're going to add in our flour. I'm going to save a bit of the milk until all the flour's mixed in. So I don't know if I need it all yet. And mix this on a really slow speed until it's just come together. So I'm happy to take it as far as that on the mixer, and then I'm going to mix the rest by hand. I don't want to over mix it. It smells amazing, I can say that much. There we go, and your batter should look something like this. I am going to add the rest of my milk in, just to loosen it up a little bit. Just fold it in nice and gently. I have got 3 8-inch tins which I have greased and lined. And then I'm just going to distribute the batter between them. Now we can bake them. I'm going to bake them, as I said, at 160 degrees on a fan assisted oven for about 22 to 25 minutes. If you stick a skewer in, they should come out clean, and that's when you know they're done. The cakes are out of the oven now, so I'm just going to leave them to cool in their tins for about 5 minutes before turning them on a cooling rack. And then we can make our buttercream. Okay, let's start on the buttercream. I have some butter in this bowl. This is real butter, not baking spread. And I'm going to whip it up for a good 5 minutes on a medium to high speed. So your butter should look something like this. It has gone a lot paler in colour and it has increased in volume as well. Once you've got to this stage, you can start adding in your icing sugar. I'm going to add it in 2 stages. Ooh, icing sugar cloud. And you want to start it off really slow and then increase the speed to a medium speed for about 3 minutes. And just give it a quick scrape around the edge, make sure you've got everything in before adding your next lot of icing sugar. And you just repeat the process. Start off slow and increase the speed. There we go, should look something like this. So again, just scrape everything off the side. It'll probably be a little bit thick at the moment, but we are going to add some milk in to loosen it up. But first, it's Biscoff time. I'm going to add in 2 big tablespoons. I might add a third, who knows. So just pop this on the mixer. I'm going to add in about half of my milk now. And I've got some vanilla in here as well. And then mix it just on a slow speed until it's all come together. Give it a little taste test, see what we think. More Biscoff. Another tablespoon. Gonna add in the rest of my milk and vanilla. And go again. Give it another taste test. Perfect. So, once your Biscoff buttercream is done, we just need to wait for the cakes to cool. I'm going to put about 3/4 of this in a piping bag and leave the other quarter in the bowl, and then we can get decorating. Okay, the cakes are nice and cool, so I'm just going to put a bit of buttercream on my cake stand. Grab the first layer, press it on. Then I have got my buttercream in a bag. I'm just going to pipe some stars on the outside. Oh no, my bag's ripping. I got these bags from Asda and they're the worst piping bags ever. Then I'm gonna get a blob of buttercream for the centre and just work it towards the stars. Take any excess off. And I've got some Biscoff spread here which I have melted. Just gonna drizzle some in the centre. Like so. Grab your next layer, just line it up and do the same thing. With the rest of the Biscoff spread, I'm just gonna pour a blob on each swirl just so it can drip down. And we can grab some biscuits. Just pop these in. I think it's a bit warm in my kitchen. Oh no, I put that the wrong way. Come on, stay with me. Take one of them out. This one across slightly. There we go. Just gonna dribble some more Biscoff right in the centre. And it will just naturally spread out. And then I'm just going to pop this in the fridge just for about 20 minutes to set before I cut it, because it is very hot in this kitchen. And then we can do a taste test. Now we can do a taste test. It's a big cake to cut. Are we ready? Put it down before I drop it. There we go. 3 layers of brown sugar sponge with Biscoff buttercream, Biscoff spread on top, and a Biscoff biscuit. I mean, if you like Biscoff, this is the perfect cake for you. Let's give it a little try. Oh, I love Biscoff, man. That is heaven on a plate. Anyway, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give this cake a try. If you do, let me know in the comments. It is one of my favourite cakes to make, and I know I'm obsessed with Biscoff, but it really is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!